Hi everybody, it's Laurel here with another video today, 2 in 1 day, but I was pretty successful. I had purchased some of Kathy Orta's tutorials when she had her 50% off sale back on Black Friday, and since I found myself with some extra time, I thought that I would work on them. So this is my vintage typewriter that I did tonight. Took me, several hours, but it seemed like it went pretty quick. So my camera is mounted over my desk, so it's going to be a little bit hard to show you things, but this is the front-facing view, and all of these keys, I'll lift it up to try and show you. There you go. These are actually laser cut wood. I got them from the Pork Chop Show on Etsy. He's an Etsy seller who does laser cuts. And I had them around for a really long time, and they fit in just perfectly. I have more keys than Kathy shows in the tutorial because there were just some cool things I wanted to include. Like, if I can get it to, there it is, margin release, the tab, the shift lock, shift key, and then there's a backspace, there's a 1/4 down here. I checked his website on the Etsy store, so if you go to Etsy, look up The Pork Chop Show, and he sells a set of these for $7.95. And he gives you extra vowels too. It's hard, the camera's not picking it up, but all the spools I painted with brushed pewter distress stain, so they do look more chrome than the camera is showing. I don't have any bobby pins, so I'm going to have to run to CVS and get some. But this is the side view. Not too bad. And then here's the back. Now I have done all my painting. I have not done the insert because I'm not sure if we're going to use it for a calendar or not. We just might use it for a home decor piece because I think it's so cool. And there's the faucet knobs on the other side. It was a lot of fun. I'll feel better about it once I get the hairpins inside. And I appreciate Kathy's tutorials, but let me tell you something. This piece right here was a bugger to get in there, and I had to resort to hot glue to get it to stay. But I had a very good time doing it, passing the time today. And Kathy has lots of tutorials and a kit club and so many things. This was a project from last year, and I believe that this might have been actually 2 years ago, 2012, because we're 14 now. So I'm a little bit behind, but I did enjoy making it, and I'll tweet some pictures once I get my hairpins in there. And like I said, I'm not quite sure what we're going to put in the drawer. I like the calendar idea, but I'm just not sure that that will be the most practical for us. So check out the Pork Chop Show and on Etsy, and check out Kathy Orta over at paperphenomenon.com. Very, very talented lady. Thanks, Kathy. I had a really good time making this. Bye, everyone.